Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Bitch, don't touch it or I'll bust your teeth. Wouldn't you like to be me? Well, girl, that's not happening. Look at me, bitch. I'm exquisite. Look at my stuff, but please don't touch it. Looking at me, you will say, damn. Her edges are laid. I will try to break this to you simple. We will never be on the same level. You wanna fight me, girl? I'll outcut you. You've been warned. Have a seat, you dumb whore. Don't come for me unless I send for you. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just telling the truth. Spreading your lies and your, what's the word again? Oh, hate. Talking that shit, it won't get you far. If you were smart, you won't mention my name. Just keep my name out your, what's the word again? Mouth. Girl, just kick rocks. No, I'm not done. My pettiness has just begun. I could kick your ass, but bitch, I have class. You're not in my world. You wish you were me, but you'll never be, 'cause you're just basic. You're my biggest fan, and I understand that's why you're hating. Get off my dick. You're stalking my pics on all my social media outlets because I'm winning. Stop pretending you're not a fan. I'm ready for you to get a life of your own. I'm ready for you to just leave me alone. I wish you weren't such a basic, what's the word? Bitch, girl, get a life, stay out of mine. You are not relevant, it's my time to shine. I could kick your ass. But bitch, I've got class. You're not part of my world. Have a seat, bitch.